Would you like to learn how, in less than 10 short minutes, how I managed to help my clients, all of my clients, to grow their lists of prospects, guaranteed, and opened the door to potentially 65% more prospects, guaranteed, using 10 simple ideas? Plus, if you hang around for a few mercifully short minutes, I'm going to show you an incredible offer, only available for the next 72 hours, where I'm going to help you together with my team to get started or to get better at building your lead lists for free by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. My name is Paul PG McKeown, and this is my message. I help executive business coaches to build your first 2 magic funnels, sales funnel, a sales pipeline, to convert high-ticket clients by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way through my iCanDOur 8-step digital marketing roadmap, so that you can get to 6 online clients per month from 90 days from the launch date, guaranteed, or I'll buy them back from you. This is a simple funnel on the left-hand side of this picture. And on the right-hand side, there's a slightly more complicated diagram, but it's still in essence the same thing. It's taking these videos, which we put up to YouTube, which we put up to Facebook. And if you haven't heard of YouTube or Facebook or a sales pipeline or something that we call email marketing, believe you me that this course is not right for you, okay? So if you have heard of these things, please stay tuned for this important information, because what we do is we simply convert these people via a landing page, which contains an opt-in form. The opt-in form simply has an email and a first name, email address, first name. And then from there, we take them through a process which we call a VSL, a video sales letter, where each day in their email inboxes, we send them 1 trust video, really short email with a lovely little short video, just like the one that I'm showing you now on your screen. After that, perhaps 30 days, perhaps 60 days, perhaps 90 days from now, those people will, if they are constantly receiving value from you, valuable based information, you're not trying to sell them, you're just genuinely trying to help them by actually helping them, they will eventually turn around and book a call with you, as long as you name your call. I call it a business upgrade call. So they book a business upgrade call with you, they receive the call instructions, and then perhaps, just perhaps, they will become a client. They will become a client. So this is the 8-step process that I call, yes, iCanDOur, digital marketing practice. So please stay tuned to the end of this mercifully short video. And without further ado, let's get started. Hi there, coaches. So let me begin by asking you a very simple question. Do you know how to ask, how to really ask for what you want and how to get it? Really actually get it. For example, the sale, the survey, the questionnaire, the feedback, I don't know, a massage, a virtual hug, whatever it is that you're asking for. So what I want to do is, I want to start off by saying that a lot of coaches that I have met, that I have worked with in my network, a lot of them are frightened to ask for the sale. Now, why do you think they're frightened to ask for the sale? Because they live in fear of rejection. I know, because 25 months ago, at the beginning of this, let's call it this craziness period, I was in exactly the same situation. I thought about it as what I called the 10-ton telephone. You know, it's like 10 tons and you're frightened to pick it up, and you're frightened to phone those numbers, and you're frightened to ask for the sale. But sometimes, you see, it's all about necessity. And it's all about their needs matter. And you realize there that you have got this power, that you have got this superpower, that you have got this gift, and you would like more than anything else to share it with the world, because you get this feeling deep inside your gut that it's almost like a disservice if you do not show up, if you do not serve these people in this way with this gift that you have. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to join us for today's lesson, where we're going to be going through this. We're going to be going through, let me share my screen with you. We're going to be going through this, the product value roadmap worksheet. So we're going to be going through this, and as the red circle over here in the bottom right-hand corner, in the lower bottom right-hand corner, I have to think about that. It's all about ask, 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 and ask again. Really powerful lesson. So join us today. Remember to join us for the longer lessons, click on the link below. It's just underneath the subscribe button. You have actually clicked the subscribe button, I hope. And underneath the red subscribe button, there's a comment that has been pinned to the top, and that contains a link. That contains a link to come over and to join us inside this amazing journey that we're having, this 60-day roadmap that we're going through, solving a particular problem, one problem a day in digital marketing. Okay, in the confusing, sometimes overwhelming world of digital marketing, what we're trying to do is we're trying to simplify it. And today's lesson is all about the ask, 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 and ask again. Okay, believe you me, there's a lot of really valuable data. There's a lot of really valuable statistics in this book, in this video as well. Okay, so come on over, click the link down below after you've clicked the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and then join us for the longer lesson. Okay, look forward to seeing you over there soon. Bye for now. Hello, everybody, and thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the 3rd thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here's the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.